What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode of Jared Breaks His Car. Jared put a used turbo on his car. I guess we did. And it smokes worse now than it did before.
It's way worse.
Interesting. You want to help me out, Jared? I'm gonna need to borrow you for, hold up, 1 hour and 33 minutes times 2. We have a long drive to make. You down?
I'm down.
Okay, let's rip.
Where are we driving?
Think.
No. Really?
What?
Can I say it?
Go ahead.
Supra?
Sheesh.
It's a Supra?
Shall we? Should we fucking get it?
Are you kidding me?
No.
Damn. Okay, now that makes sense. But like, for some reason I thought that car was just not gonna happen, so I'm excited.
All right, what are we driving? If you want to whip the FRS, you can.
Isn't the clutch gone?
Yeah.
What about 10?
There's no way. No, that thing misfires hella bad. I'll explain a little bit more later on. I should probably put the Evo in the shop, huh? I bought a car, another car. Technically, I bought this thing a while ago. I originally looked at this car 9 months ago. It's a very, very long story, but Jared and I are gonna go pick it up.
Oh, shit.
Why does he have a JDM sticker on it? That wasn't there before.
Just pull up across the road.
Yeah. Bussin'.
That thing is busting.
Shit. Ah.
Dude, that thing is sick.
Already exhausted.
Damn. It's clean.
I know.
Like super clean.
Like those wheels?
I do. Those are sick.
That car is pretty sick, dude. So what are you gonna buy next?
This thing is insane. It's so clean. It's so clean.
Oh, it's just a magnet.
Oh.
It's a badass magnet. We put this on your car.
Hey.
Imagine peeling it off and it's like Bondo cracking out. You gotta let the boys know we're JDM.
Because my dad don't want that car anymore.
Because it's too slow, right?
Uh-huh.
Way too slow.
Because Daddy needed to be fat enough so he could drive it. But now it's too slow.
Yeah, way too slow, I agree. Yeah, well, that's what we'll take it. He said his dad doesn't want it because it's too slow.
Oh, you just wait, young grasshopper.
It is in such good condition. That's wild.
Let me gently roll this up.
It smells new.
This is gonna be so weird getting used to this car, guys. Wow. Every time I turn, because it's right-hand drive, I hit the windshield wiper stock and God, this is weird. So amazing. How did I buy this car? I'm so confused how this is mine.
That thing is so sick, dude.
You like it?
That is fucking crazy.
Was I all over the road? I feel like I was.
No, I don't think you were. You look fine.
Sick.
Dude, that thing looks
AC even works. Imagine that. Like that? It's so dirty, I don't know if it would look good in the sun. This is so weird. Turn the wheels a little bit.
Can't believe you bought it, bro. Congrats. That's
Thank
so
you,
cool,
sir.
dude.
Oh man.
It looks so nuts driving down the road.
Hold on, you wanna hold this for me? I think I might cry over here, bro. How did we pull this off, Jared?
Fine. Daily uploads.
All right, so this is the new car. I've been trying to get this car since the beginning of the year, January. And then I, for sure, was like 100% dead set on getting this car a couple months ago. The dude that I got it from was in the military, so it was a pain in the ass to get this car, but we finally got it. So it's a 95 factory twin turbo, right-hand drive, 6-speed Mark 4 Supra, and it's black. And Bobby has no idea I bought the damn thing, which is so, well, she might know because she looked at it with me in January. I'm like speechless, but I can't even talk. Oh my lord.
I can't believe this is your car.
I know, it's nuts.
Like, you're gonna park this in your garage, bro.
I know. How?
What the fuck?
Pretty much all stock except for coils, obviously the CCWs, and we also got TE37s along with it. And then front lip, exhaust, catback, that's about it, huh?
Skirts.
Yeah, I got skirts with it too. Let me pop the hood. It's so freaking quiet, bro. Is this actually my car? I see a little dent in the fender. I'm about to fix that tonight. Look how stock this son of a bitch is. Look at that.
So clean. It's like,
Two-way twin turps.
bro, she ain't been driven. Look.
This car has 105,000 kilometers on it, so it's like 60,000, right? 60,000 miles.
What is 60?
But, and he bought it with like 55,000, so he never drove this car. This is mine. Don't ask how. I'm gonna go cry in the corner as Jared takes photos.
Oh, sheesh. That's so crazy.
We had to travel about maybe an hour and a half. It was about an hour and a half from home to pick this car up. So we are down in Pullman right now. We're gonna make the drive all the way back home. Hopefully I don't wreck it because I'm like not used to driving right-hand drives, Jared, you know?
Race for pinks.
All right, let's start headed home.
All right.
I'll follow you, bro. Or you can follow me if you can.
I guess we don't have to go to the gas. Are you just trying to get home?
Yeah. Why?
Have enough gas?
Probably. What? Do you need any gas?
I think I'm fine.
Let's bus.
So you don't want to stop at all?
We can if you need to. Let's not curb a wheel now. Interesting. This is so freaking weird to me. I love it. I can't wait to get home and show you guys how freaking clean this thing is. Oh, I gotta turn. Sorry, Brad. First gas station fill up, and I pulled it to the wrong side. It's on the left, not the right. Is she built? Bro, I've never been nervous driving a car before. I can't. Bro, I've never been nervous. I'm like shaking on the driving.
That's funny as fuck.
Holy shit. All right.
Your wallet's in my car, by the way.
If you told me when I first started this whole YouTube thing that one day, 4 or 5 years down the road, I'd be buying a Mark 4 Supra, I would say you're crazy. I never thought that this would be possible in my life, but thankfully one day I decided to go all in on YouTube, and it has taken us this far. So I'm super thankful for not only following my dreams, like having the courage to follow my dreams, but I'm also very thankful for all you guys, for all the support throughout the years. That's about it. All right, we made it back to the shop. Safe to say she fits right in quite nicely with the JDM garage that we got going on here. Quick little overview of the car. I'm sure I'll make a better detailed video later on, but this thing is super freaking clean. I've been looking for some sort of older JDM car for a while, whether that be an R32, R33 GTR, of course the Mark 4 Supra, or an NSX. And when I first initially looked at this car, I was completely blown away with how clean this thing is. The paint's not perfect. It definitely needs a polish and a ceramic coat. She's got some pretty baller CCWs on it, paired up with some R888s. Is that an HK? Not sure what kind of catback that is. We'll figure that out one day. Carbon Kevlar front lip. But I do want to show you guys the interior of this car. This thing is so freaking clean. This is the oldest car I own, and definitely one of the cleaner cars that I currently own. Overall, I could not be more stoked, more excited for the Supra. I don't even know the plans for this car. Honestly, if we left it as is, I would be the happiest man in the world. I'm sure later on down the road, we're gonna have to do some pretty sick mods to it. But to be honest, it's gonna be really tough for me to do any sort of mods, just because I feel like this is such a rare car. Right-hand drive, twin turbo, 6-speed, pretty low miles. It's gonna be difficult to mod. Once again, I just wanna say thank you guys for all the support over the last 4 or 5 years with the channel. Without your guys' support, definitely would not be standing in a garage full of dream cars for me.
Don't let me drive it.
Huh?
Don't let me drive it.
I won't ever.
Break it.
Trust me, I will never. You can drive it maybe like from here to your car.
Might make it without a scratch.
Shit. So did you enjoy that ass on the way home? Or
I did. It was good.
Good ass?
Good ass.
Excellent. We have a problem, Jared. We need a bigger shop.
Ain't no room.
Should we upgrade?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Next video. Shop upgrade.
Bro, I'm broke. I can't do anything until like 10 years down the road. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you tomorrow when we go pick up Bobby and see her reaction to the new Supra. Peace.